I know, people, I'm crazy again, but this is a very bad winter storm yet again. The winds have actually calmed down a lot. This here is supposed to be the road. As you can tell, it's 4 degrees here. Crazy, huh? I know people are crazy. But there's snow drifts going across the road. School should be closed. Work should be canceled for today. I mean, damn, people. I mean, there's a big snow drift in the middle of the damn road. Plows aren't even doing anything because of the fact that the damn snow keeps on blowing. It feels like it's like negative 30 out here. So, all right, people, I'm going back inside. I'm cold. See you later.